Malaysia berekrar.
31st August 1970, a historic day marked the birth of Rukonegara. They were born from the need to heal and unite a diverse nation. It has served as the cornerstone of our country's unity. The Rukonegara's 5 principles have united Malaysians of diverse backgrounds. These values have transcended our differences, fostering a deep sense of belonging and mutual respect. Today, as we face new challenges, our unity remains our greatest asset. We stand together, embracing our diversity and working towards a future where every Malaysian can thrive.
Unity is when one society or nation meets another society, another nation, and they merge together and became one. Satu Malaysia!
So unity for me is that when there's one country with multiracial communities and society comes together as one to ensure the harmonies, peace, and also sustainable of development for economy and also the countries itself.
I think it's when a big society with a lot of differences, their background, their races, religions, and much more, but they still become one. Satu Malaysia.
When I think of unity, I always remember my grandmother and my grandfather because I think it's like a really wonderful thing and almost magical to me that they managed to get married together and have 6 kids of their own. And I also remember when I was in high school, I have 1 Indian friend and 1 Chinese friend. And whenever there's celebration, for example, me Hari Raya, I will invite them to my house. And then when Chinese New Year came, my Chinese friend invite me and my Indian friend to her house. And when Deepavali came, my Indian friend invite me and my Chinese friend to her house. So I think I am very thankful that I am a part of this society, and I think it's magical.
Since I was young, my parents have sent me to multiracial school so that I can have not only Malay but also Chinese and Indian friends there. And the fact that I have more Chinese and Indian friends rather than Malay friends, and it's really wonderful because despite our differences in races and religions, we never question our existence, and we always help each other in our studies. We always share our stories of life together, play together, and laugh together.
When I was in primary school, I have these 2 Chinese guy friends, and they actually they both are twins. They moved in my school from their old school, but then nobody wanted to be their friends because these 2 Chinese boys, they are so naughty, like really naughty, and we just can't handle their behavior. So nobody wanted to be their friends. But one day, I felt very bad to them. So I tried to be their friends, and I tried to understand their behaviors, why they became like that. And suddenly, it turns out they are just nice. They both both of them are really, really nice. They are a good friends indeed. And until now, I still become their friends. And he is now a successful guy. They are currently studying in overseas. So I think it's really beautiful when we don't judge each other, because I think we should unite together no matter our religions, our races, with all these differences. Actually, when we become together, we could learn something from each other. I learn from them, they learn from me, so I think it's a beautiful friendship.
Unity is one.
Harmony,
Peace,
Satu Malaysia.
tolerance,
togetherness,
Understanding.
solidarity.
beautiful. But do you know what could destroy unity in Malaysia? It's racism, it's violence. Hence, we have SDG 16. SDG 16 is one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals established by the United Nations, aims to promote peaceful and inclusive societies, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. It's called peace, justice, and strong institutions. People everywhere should be free of fear from all forms of violence and feel safe as they go about their lives, whatever their ethnicity, faith, or sexual orientation. Technically, racism leads to violence. Violence and insecurity have a destructive impact on a country's development, affecting economic growth. Not only that, but usually resulting in prolonged conflicts among communities. To discriminate not only violates human rights, but also causes resentment and animosity. But don't worry, unity could be maintained, and it all started from us. Here's what we need to do. We should promote inclusion and respect towards people of different ethnic origins, religions, gender, sexual orientations, or different opinions. We should empower future generations to fight racism, whether in the classroom or at home. We may use TikTok, Instagram, Twitter ads, Facebook, and much more. Show our support and share the information through our social media networks. Race, religion, and royalty. We should avoid fanning these issues as it could affect interracial and religious harmony. Remember, think wisely before speaking out.
I choose peace. I choose peace.
I choose peace.
We are one. So let's spread the love and unite together.
Let's unite together as it is the foundation of the unity in Malaysia.